Hey there, it's Jason here from 4XPipSnager and 4X UTurn, and today is May 30th, 2012. Okay, so let's take a quick look at the setups and see what just happened here. Okay, so basically, we broke through support right in here, okay, came down, went right back up, created our perfect gap of opportunity, okay. The filter was lined up perfectly, it was red, it was a go, ladies and gentlemen. It was a perfect PipSnager trade go. You had about a 20 pip stop, it was 15 pips to the top plus 5 pips is 20 pip stop, and it went down 40 pips, you would have got your 2-to-1 ratio, no problem. Okay, then that's in the UK session. Then in the US session, well, it wasn't so easy. Okay, so you needed to break through this support. See how it kept bouncing off here and then here again. Okay, so when it created our gap of opportunity right here, okay, no, it did not happen. You needed to break through the support right here. So it basically broke through here. You would have sold here and here. Okay, you would have made some pips, scalp trades in the US session. Okay, so that's it for the 5 minute. Let's take a look at the 1 minute and see what we got out of that. Okay, so looks like it was a buy trade. Okay, we got our gap right here. It didn't really retrace into the trigger line, but we went through resistance here. Okay, so you would have got somewhere. You just would have had to just bite the bullet, jump on it. Okay, and look at that, 10 pips exactly to the top. Took about half an hour to get there. Man, oh man, was that moving slow, huh? So anyway, yeah, there was the one trade, and then basically here is another one, but the filter did not agree. Okay, and that's it. There was only the one trade. It was a buy, and it wasn't even a pullback into the trigger. You had to jump in or, or not. It's either jump in or don't jump in. Okay, so anyway, that's it for there, and we'll take a look at the pound. The same at the pound. It broke through support in here quickly, came back up. Your sell would have been right there, even though it's not the best place. It was quite a long time after, and then you had a couple more sells in here. So it would have been better to sell somewhere up here, okay, if it would have traced back up, but it didn't because of the big drop quickly. Okay, and then here's a perfect sell right in here. Sell, sell, sell. 3 waves. 1, 2, 3. Anybody heard of Elliott wave? Hey, Elliott! Elliott, it's working! Anyway, yeah, so there's your 3 waves right there. Okay, and as I told you before, your best wave of opportunity is the first one, then the second is your next best one, and the third one, well, it could be risky, but in this particular situation, all 3 waves worked out. All 3 of them bounced off our trigger line to a T. Okay, so that's it for the pound. Let's take a look at the Swiss, and it should look exactly the opposite of the euro. Yes, indeed. Here it is. Broke through resistance, pulled back, bought right there out of our gap here. Okay, you had about a 13 pip to the bottom with the 5 pips. It's about 18 pip stop. And look at that. 18 and 18, 36. We didn't get our 2-to-1, but we definitely got our 1-to-1. Once you got your how should I say? Once you get 50% of your, profit target, if you're going for 2-to-1, okay, this is where you move your stop to break even, okay? If you're going for a 1-to-1, you just leave it. You don't touch your stop. It goes to your target or it goes to your stop. One of the two. That's the way I taught you to trade this thing. Anyway, and also here in the U.S. session, it like the euro, it needed to break through this. On the euro, it was a floor of support, but on here, it's a ceiling of resistance. And once it broke through here, okay, pulled back, you look to buy there and there and there. And sure enough, you made some pips on that. Okay, so that's it for Snagger. Let's take a look at the U-turn. Oh, no trades today on the U-turn. There's no M's or W's, not even here. See how it flattened out? That is not a correct M formation. Oh, but the pound had one. up here yesterday, and sure enough, it worked out. It worked out to the tune of around 143 pips if you got short yesterday in there. Okay, so thanks for watching today. You guys have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.